welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to secure your future right from home. In this video, I make everything simple for you to understand. I break everything down in order for you to know the secret of the big people out there, the Bill Gates and the rest. They knew this since 2009, since this started, they knew it and they kept this as a secret, and I am going to teach you what they know. Every video that I'll make is a very important video, so please like this video, subscribe and ring the bell so that every time that I'll make a video about their secret, you will be the one to see it firstly. So right now, let's move to my screen.
Alright, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how you can invest, how you can secure your future. The poor people, we don't invest, that's why we are poor. And the rich people, they always invest. If they have money, they always find a way to invest it. And they understand what is money, they understand what money really is. They know the strategy to invest money, and they know that money has an evaluation. You know, some hundreds of years back, we were not using this money. Money started used with month-to-month change, which is good-to-good exchange, also known as that. And then we came to the cowries and then the coins. After the coins, we went to the papers money, the money that we are using right now. You know, this is the reason why the COVID-19 is spreading massively. The COVID-19 is spreading massively because of that. Then later on, we came to the use of these credit cards, which is giving us some problems and then giving money to some people. And later on, we came with the use of the mobile money, which is bailing us here and there. I am talking about the evaluation of money. Right now, we are in the technological world. This is crypto money. We are now in the crypto world. In 2009, the Bitcoin was less than $1, but right now, it has hit a place that no one imagined. Right now, the Bitcoin have spread all over the world. Many boutiques and stores are taking it. They are accepting Bitcoins, but we don't still know anything about it. This is Glofascoin. This is now trending, so we should all trend with the new things. You know, the law of business is saying you should buy low and then sell high. I'll tell you about a story about a guy who bought 2 pizza at 10,000 Bitcoins, which is a lot of money right now. And then later on, when he saw that the Bitcoin reached some places, he killed himself. This is Glofascoin. This is now trending. Right now, it have not when it came on, it have not get 1 year, so it is now trending. Right now, we are at the phase 2. You should go on the site to do what? To research. The big people, they are in. They are making a lot of money on it. And one last good thing is that the traders, you can start trading with the Glofascoin. They have gone too far now. So please, start your own research. Do your own research. Find out a way. Because Africa, we are back. We are back. We are very back. So we should back up. We should do more things. Thank you for watching, and watch for more videos. I'll be coming with more videos, so thank you for watching.